Hi, second grade. We are starting our first few reading lessons. And so I am here to introduce to you our first unit. Our first unit is titled Friends and Family. Our big idea for this unit, which is an idea we're going to be thinking about throughout the next 5 weeks, is how do families and friends learn, grow, and help one another? So we're going to be thinking about that in the back of our mind through all of our reading lessons the next few weeks. This unit happens to start with a poem, so I am going to read this poem out loud to you. Make my picture smaller. There we go. Together is better. Baseball is no fun at all without a friend to toss the ball. Camping out would be a bore without your brother to hear you snore. Piano notes would sound all wrong without a friend to sing along. Ice cream would not taste as sweet without your sister to share the treat. Cleaning up is hard to do without your dad to help out too. From morning until the day is done, friends and family make things fun. And now that we've introduced our unit, we are now going to introduce our weekly big idea. And we'll move over here. And our topic for the week is friends help each other. So I can see in this picture, I see two girls looking at a map. They are both, one has a magnifying glass, the other is pointing, so it looks like they are helping one another. Our essential question up here is something that we are going to think about in addition to our big idea. We are going to think of the essential question this week, which is, how do friends depend on each other? These friends are helping each other find out where they are on a map. Their actions help each other. There are many ways we depend on our friends, and there are 2 examples. The first one, we depend on our friends to teach us things. And also, we need our friends to give us comfort when we are hurt or upset. Now, normally, if we were in the classroom, I would have you turn and talk to a partner about ways that you can have depended on your friends, or how friends can depend on you. So think right now, maybe by yourself or maybe with a family or friend, talk about ways that friends depend on each other. And then we are going to watch a short video clip about how friends can depend on one another. We are going to watch a short video about how friends can depend on one another. I'm going to make my screen small so I'm not in your way, all right? And then I will press play.
Friends help friends. How do friends depend on each other? Friends depend on each other for many reasons. A friend can help you make something. A friend can also help you up when you fall down. This girl fell on the ice, but she could depend on her friend to help her.
Okay, second graders, now that we watched that short video, I want you to answer the question, how do friends depend on each other? Can you give an example of a time where you have depended on a friend, or when a friend has depended on you? Think for a moment, and then you're going to record your answer below.